In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the whip pan transition effect in Premiere Pro. The first thing you need to do is to come over to this new item button over here and select it, and select adjustment layer to create a new adjustment layer, and ensure that your adjustment layer settings matches your sequence settings. Mine is 1920 by 1080, and hit OK. Next, drag your adjustment layer above your both clips over here, and adjust the length of your adjustment layer by cutting out any excesses. The next thing you want to do is to go over to the Effects tab and search for the Offset effect, and apply this offset effect onto your adjustment layer. Next, search for the Gaussian blur effect and apply this Gaussian blur effect onto your adjustment layer as well. Next, move your time indicator to the center of your clip over here, and move over to the Effects Control tab over here. The next thing you want to do is to move it 5 frames to the left by holding down Shift and hitting the left arrow once, and this will automatically move your time indicator 5 frames to the left. Next thing you want to do is to toggle on the stopwatch next to Shift Center 2 and next to blurriness over here. Next, hold down Shift and move the right arrow twice, and this will move 10 frames forward. And depending on the direction you want the transition to go, begin by adjusting the values of Shift Center 2. So for example, if you want your transition to move to the left, what you want to do is to adjust the Shift Center value to move your clip to the right. So my clip was 960. I'm going to move it to become a full 1 frame motion like this. So it's going to be minus 960 for me because my initial clip was 960. But if you want it to move from up to down or from down to up, what you need to adjust is the Y value to create an up to down pan transition. But I'm not creating that in this example, so I'm going to hit Ctrl Z. So the next thing you need to do is to come down also under blurriness and select this diamond icon over here to add another keyframe at this position. Next, hold down Shift and hit the left arrow once to move to the center of these keyframes, and set the value for blurriness to 200 or whatever you like. I'm going to set mine to 180. The next thing you also need to do is to change your blur dimension to whatever angle you want your transition to move to. So because I'm moving from left to right, I'm going to select horizontal. But if you are moving from up to down or down to up, select vertical. The next thing you need to do is to highlight all keyframes over here. Right click, select temporal interpolation and select Bezier. Next, come over to this arrow next to Shift Center 2 and select it. And select anywhere to deselect all these keyframes and select the first keyframe over here. Okay, let me zoom this closer so you can see it better. So we have 2 points over here. Select the point by the right over here and pull it down and move it close to the time indicator. And select this point and pull it down also and move it close to this time indicator over here. And right now, if I go back and hit play, you can see what we've created over here. And that's it guys on how to create the whip pan transition effect in Premiere Pro.